Monique.
Oh, she Monique today. And we are
Bridging generation.
Bridging the generation.
How are you? Can I get 2 regular salads, please? Let's just do kale and spinach. And on the second one, let's do some of your salad mix with spinach and kale. And can I get a little more spinach on that one, please? Thank you. Let's do, I have to remember. Dang it. Okay, carrots, a bell pepper, mushrooms. No. For that one, cucumbers, tomatoes. No, that's it. I'm trying to figure out, is this the original sun-dried tomatoes? Yes, it is. It is? You sure? Can I taste it? I believe it's like a different provider or something. Yeah. Okay, can I get sun-dried tomatoes on both, please? Corn on both, please.
Carrots, broccoli, cucumbers,
Black olives on the first one. Black beans on the first one. And beets on the first one. Jalapenos on the first one as well. Cilantro. And then on the second one, can I get, let's do some chickpeas. 3 jalapenos. Jalapenos? Yes, please. Nope. Yeah, so on the first one, let's do blue cheese. And then eggs as well. On the second one, let's do a little feta. That's perfect. A little Parmesan, just a little bit. That was black, but it's okay. Thanks, sorry. Let's do oil on both. Yes. Okay. Oil on the second? Yes. Try a little bit more on that one. Yeah, a little bit more. Thank you, I don't like it dry. A jalapeno avocado on both. And on the second one, can I get a little, like a half a scoop of spicy chipotle? Perfect. No protein. On both. On the first one, can I get pumpkin seeds? On the second one, I want almonds. And walnuts on the side, please. And mandarin. I'm sorry, I should have told you earlier. 2 mandarin. 2 mandarin. Yeah, 2 mandarin and 1 grape. Yeah, pretty quick. Wow, there's a lot of, they have tomato based soup, and they have chipotle white bean soup as well. They have chopped bacon, they have papillon, they have peanuts, they want avocado, yes. And we have some pasta. Yeah, peanut butter. No, sir, that'll be all. Croutons on the side, and sesame sticks on the side. One side of croutons, 2 sides of sesame. One side of croutons, 2 of sesame.
This is the best time to go to the Mukbang because they have decor everywhere. And it's like, it's so cute. So cute, so cute, so cute. Kind of like little spiders at the top of the, at the top of the building, I'm not even gonna lie. But in person it's more cute. More cutery. Alright guys. I think I'm gonna go because I really just came in here for the food. Didn't do any shopping or anything here. Okay, y'all, we back. We got some salads. So we're gonna do a car mukbang for you guys. Is this our first mukbang? Yeah, it is. So what's gonna be our topic for today? What are we gonna say to the people? We were supposed to go to Dallas today, but a lot going on. This Christmas time. Christmas time is here. There's a lot of traffic everywhere. Why you ain't say nothing? Oh, my bad, y'all. I forgot to do the intro. I am Whitney, and this is
Monique.
Oh, she Monique today. And we are
Bridging
Bridging the
generation.
generation. My nails, I just realized something. My nails are the same color as my salad.
Y'all see what I have to do? You see what I have to do with it?
Ain't it a blessing?
We doing intermittent fasting.
Mm-mm.
We were supposed to eat at 12, but no.
Oh. The jalapenos?
You got jalapenos other than mine,
Yeah.
so far I haven't encountered them.
But these jalapenos for me, they're a different type.
They're raw, that's why.
Jesus. So what's the difference? Like, they have
Pickle.
some raw. You say a pickle, but I can get a raw jalapeno and cut it and it still be hot. Mm. So what's the difference between the ones we got out the house versus these? Yo, this is what she said. It's pickle jalapeno.
No, those
These
are
things got
raw.
hot.
That's a raw one.
So what's the difference between raw and pickle?
Pickle been sitting in
A jar?
vinegar.
Mmm. So that's actually really odd because I thought that vinegar would make it more hot.
And salt.
Hmm?
And
make it
salt,
salt?
you know, vinegar is a neutralizer.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
So if you don't know, now you know. That's a reference to y'all out there. If you don't know, now you know. Wait, so
These dried tomatoes are not the life.
show them.
These are the wrong kind. They need to do away with this.
Oh. So away they went.
Yeah, they had another one that's better.
I thought it was these. My
Mm-mm.
bad. That was my mistake. I couldn't really remember, honestly. I was trying to go with my gut. See, that's what I be talking about. Sometimes my gut be real on point, and then other times,
Her gut be bubbly. Need some
some vinegar.
apple cider.
You know, just say vinegar neutralizes it.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it is vinegar neutralized. So when you put it in your body, it doesn't neutralize something. Yeah, imbalances.
You sure saying God we trust? Mm-hmm. They ought to be ashamed of themselves. Look like them a little.
Uh-oh.
Get rid of this.
That was really quick. You already know. I like the other salada we typically go to because my friend up there. Yeah, it's this guy that worked at Salada. He is so sweet. Okay. Every time I go up there, we have like these long conversations while he fixing my food. But what it does, it makes the experience more pleasurable. And so, intentionality with the customers is very important. A little do y'all know. Actually, some people may know. Okay. Our random topic. Should people celebrate Christmas? Your facial reaction was priceless.
That's not random.
Why is not?
Because it's Christmas time.
It was raining because we didn't plan it.
What's happening?
I don't know, but the security guard pulled up with a ponytail.
A man bun.
Are we engaging in the topic?
Mm-hmm. Go right ahead now.
Well, first off, for you, do you celebrate Christmas?
I do.
Mm-hmm. I do too.
I've celebrated it all my life.
All my life, I had to celebrate. God loves, I know Jesus, but I had to celebrate the holiday.
Why didn't they put no sunflower seeds in here?
Pumpkin seeds? They did put pumpkin seeds in there.
Ain't no pumpkin seeds in here.
I watched them do it.
I'm sorry?
I watched them do it.
Well,
I should have put more in. You want some on it? Woo.
they didn't bring no sesame seed.
Yeah.
These are the worst dry tomatoes. You're making my experience.
Yeah, I love me some walnuts. I think ever since I started eating them, I'm just feeling love. And we really have an intimate relationship. Because when I eat them, I eat them, okay? Y'all need to pray for me. Because I'm supposed to eat them in moderation. Sometimes I eat too many of them. I'm just being honest. You not talking to the people?
I'm sorry, people. Guess what's happening? There are officers in front of me.
Security guards.
Memorial City security guards.
Mm-hmm.
And I am trying to figure out what happened and what's going on.
You know what? Typically, I eat without a drink. Right now, I feel like I need something to drink.
I definitely need.
That's the oddest thing.
I thought the car was on.
I turned it on. Because why leave the car on? It's a beautiful day out. Right? You got to talk to the people.
So they put these tomatoes. I love dried roasted tomatoes, but these right here, they are horrible.
What's wrong with them? In your opinion?
I don't know what's wrong with them. They just taste nasty.
If you could compare it to something, what would you compare it to? Beets?
I like beets. I like beets a lot.
It kind of tastes sour, huh? The tomatoes?
Mm-hmm. And evidently that must have been their new purchase because they were not like that when I first started buying them.
And I asked him, I said, are these the ones that y'all been having? And he was like, yeah. And people tell you anything just to get you to be quiet.
Just to get your money.
And that too. Right now I'm eating sesame seed sticks. But let me make sure I specify.
They are good.
Nope.
I figured out the other day when I was eating something. It didn't have any salt on it. And I discovered I didn't like it because it didn't have salt. So I'm like, do I like this or do I like salt?
Probably the salt.
Yeah.
It's the salt for you, sis.
And I guess if I ate cake that didn't have sugar, I wouldn't like it either.
You've eaten sugar-free cookies before, right?
But it don't taste like.
That's the thing. You still haven't came into one of those jalapenos yet?
Mm-hmm.
You did?
I'm avoiding it. You know why? I don't have nothing to drink.
You smart. Actually, you got some tea right here. You don't want that.
I do. Not.
You do not, okay? All right, y'all. I'm not gonna hold you any longer. We just wanted to chit chat.
You know what I'm saying?
So, what you rate Salado?
I don't like this one. I like
You
the
don't?
one- I like the one by the house.
You like the one by the house better?
Yep.
See, I like the one by the house better because of the experience of being able to talk to somebody, but you like it better because the food tastes better?
To me.
Wow. So what you rate this one?
7 or 8.
And the one by the house is a 10?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's a pretty high score. So we rate Salado a 10, guys. On a good day. When they off, they off. But alright, today it was off a little bit. I think mine was off because I put too many dang jalapenos in them. But anyways, go get you some Salado. You all seen what she had in hers. I showed you what I had in mine already. So till next time, love you all. You gotta tell the people bye.
People, bye.
Bye.